Vissani portable air conditioners are widely used in smaller spaces and rental properties. Understanding proper water drainage is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing costly damage. As warm, humid air passes over the cold evaporator coils inside the unit, moisture in the air condenses into water droplets. This natural cooling process continuously generates condensate water that must be properly managed. Here we can see the actual internal components of a portable air conditioner, including the condensate collection area, where water accumulates during operation. Without effective water drainage, several serious problems can occur. Internal water damage can harm electronic components, cooling efficiency decreases significantly, mold and bacteria can grow in stagnant water, and the unit may automatically shut off when water levels become too high. This visualization demonstrates the serious consequences of poor drainage maintenance, showing mold growth that can occur when moisture is not properly managed. There are two fundamental methods for draining water from Vissani portable air conditioners. The manual drain method involves periodically removing a drain plug to empty collected water, making it suitable for occasional use. The continuous hose drainage setup provides automatic water removal through an attached hose, ideal for regular operation. This technical diagram illustrates the continuous hose drainage setup, showing the drain outlet location and proper hose attachment method that will be covered in detail in the next section. Understanding these fundamental drainage concepts is crucial for maintaining your Vissani portable air conditioner. Proper water management prevents damage, maintains efficiency, and ensures reliable operation throughout the cooling season. Vissani portable air conditioners require regular water drainage to maintain optimal performance. There are two primary methods for removing condensate water from these units. The manual drain method is the most common approach for units without permanent drainage setup. This method requires periodic attention but provides complete control over the drainage process. Step 1. Locate the bottom drain plug on your unit. This is typically a rubber stopper or threaded cap positioned at the lowest point of the unit for complete water removal. Step 2. Position a shallow pan or absorbent towels beneath the drain outlet. This prevents water from spilling onto floors and allows for controlled drainage of the condensate. Step 3. Carefully remove the drain plug to begin water flow. Remove the plug slowly to control the initial water release and prevent splashing or overflow. Step 4. After drainage is complete, securely replace the drain plug before restarting the unit. Proper sealing prevents air leaks that could reduce cooling efficiency. The continuous drainage method provides automatic water removal using a hose connection. This approach eliminates the need for frequent manual drainage and ensures uninterrupted operation. Required equipment includes a standard garden hose or dedicated drainage hose, typically 5/8 inch in diameter, along with hose clamps and appropriate connector fittings for secure attachment. Step 1. Locate the continuous drain port on your unit. This port is typically found on the back or side of the unit and may be covered with a removable cap or plug. Step 2. Attach the drainage hose securely to the drain port using the appropriate connector. Ensure a tight fit to prevent leaks and maintain proper drainage flow. Step 3. Route the hose to your chosen drainage location, ensuring a consistent downward slope. Gravity drainage requires at least 1 inch of drop per 10 feet of hose length for proper water flow. Step 4. Test the complete drainage system before regular operation. Check all connections for leaks and verify that water flows properly to the designated drainage point. Proper timing and maintenance are essential for both drainage methods. The water full indicator light signals when manual drainage is required, typically appearing every 8 to 12 hours during heavy use periods. Manual drainage should be performed when the water full indicator activates or every 8 to 12 hours during periods of heavy use. High humidity environments may require more frequent drainage intervals. Regular maintenance checks ensure optimal drainage performance. Inspect hose connections weekly for leaks, clean drainage ports monthly to prevent clogs, and verify that continuous drainage systems maintain proper slope and flow.